Let us integrate this function x times 1 minus x squared, all squared. The 1 minus x squared is squared, dx. Using the substitution, u is equal to 1 minus x. Alright. Now, since we have it that u is equal to 1 minus x, we can transpose and say that, in this case, x is equal to 1 minus u. Alright? And all of these x's will change to 1 minus u. But we're going to have a function in u, but dx, let's see what will happen. We have the integral of x is 1 minus u, so it's 1 minus u times 1 minus what is x squared, which is 1 minus u squared, and then all of that squared dx. But we have here a function of u dx. We want a function of u du. So let us find out what du would be. If we should differentiate this, right, what we would have is that du by dx would be equal to, well, it would be negative 1. So dx would be equal to negative du. Alright? So here we have the integral of 1 minus u times 1 minus u squared negative du, right? Which is dx. It's negative du. Okay, so let's expand one. Oh, by the way, this square is here. Right. So let's expand 1 minus u squared. We have integral of 1 minus u, 1 minus, alright. It's going to be 1 minus u times 1 minus u. All of that squared du. You see that? So we have the integral of 1 minus u times 1 minus. Alright. Let's put all of this in a bracket since we have a minus outside. 1 times 1, that's 1. 1 times negative u, that's negative u. Negative u times 1, that's negative u. Negative u times negative u will be plus u squared. See that? Du. Let's close the bracket. Du. But negative u minus u is the same as minus 2u. So let's change this to minus 2u. Okay, good. Is squared. Let's open the bracket. We have integral of 1 minus u times 1 minus is going to be negative 1 and plus 2u minus u squared du. But this 1 minus 1, it will go because 1 minus 1 is 0. Let's just erase it from now. So it will be 2u minus u squared that we have there, squared. So what we'll have, let's scroll up, it's going to be the integral of 1 minus u times, this will be 2u minus u squared times itself, 2u minus u squared, because it is squared, right? Because remember all of this could bring it closer. Alright. So it's all of this squared. du. Now let's multiply out. The integral of, now this is 1 times 2u, giving you 2u. 1 time minus u squared, negative u times 2u, going to be minus 2u squared, negative u times u squared, going to be plus u cubed. And this is multiplied by 2u minus u squared du. Alright? But here, negative u squared minus 2u squared is negative 3u squared. So let's just write it as negative 3u squared. Alright. Let's multiply out again. 2u times 2u is going to be 4u squared. 2u times negative u is going to be minus 2u cubed. Negative u squared times 2u is minus 326 u to the third power, negative 3u squared minus u squared is going to be plus 3u to the fourth, then u cubed times 2u, going to be plus 2 u to the fourth power, u cubed times negative u, going to be minus u to the fifth power. And you're integrating all of this du. So now, oh, by the way, you could combine these. This is the integral of 4u squared minus 8u cubed plus, this is what, 3 and 2, 5, 5u to the fourth minus u to the 5 du. You see all of that? So you're integrating all of this. So it's time to integrate. This will be 4u cubed divided by 3 minus 8 u to the fourth divided by 4 plus 5u to the fifth power divided by 5 minus u to the fifth power, to the sixth power, 5 plus 1 to the sixth power divided by 6 plus c. Alright. Guess what? 4 can divide into 8 to get 2. So 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 8, 2. So we can put a 2 here. 5 will cancel 5. So we can get rid of that. 5 cancel 5 to get 1. Alright, so that's what we have. So all of that is equal to that. Now, what was u again? U was 1 minus x, so let's rewrite everything as in the form r in x. So this is equal to 4, 1 minus x cubed divided by 3, alright? Going to be minus 2 to the fourth. So we have 2 square. Let's just check back up here. 2 times 2, you have 4 u squared. 2 times negative u squared give you negative 2u cubed. Negative 3 times this 3, 2, 6, negative 6 u cubed. Negative 3 u squared times u squared, positive 3 u to the fourth. And this is positive 2u to the fourth. Good. Multiply these, you get negative u to the fifth. Okay, good. Just checking something. So let's go back here now. You substitute, and we get 4 1 minus x cubed over 3, because u is 1 minus x. Alright? Minus 2 times 1 minus x to the fourth power plus 1 minus x to the power of 5 minus 1 minus x to the power of 6 over 6 plus our constant of integration, c. So that is our integral.